are some fast facts on nature's masters of disguise, the cuttlefish. Despite their name, a cuttlefish isn't actually a fish, it's a mollusk, more closely related to an octopus or squid than any fish. The coolest thing about cuttlefish is they are master shapeshifters. They can alter their skin's color, pattern, and texture in milliseconds. Special pigment cells handle color, while special skin muscles can literally pop out spikes to create texture and match any surrounding. Despite their ability to create wild camouflage displays, a cuttlefish is actually colorblind. What? Their eyes contain only one type of light-sensitive cell. Scientists believe that they detect color by reading polarized light and using lens distortion. Cuttlefish eyes have a very distinct W-shaped pupil, and they can contract or expand that pupil to see better in whatever environment they're in. Cuttlefish actually have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the other one controls the body. And cuttlefish blood is actually bright blue. There are about 120 species of cuttlefish out there, and their sizes vary wildly. The dwarf cuttlefish is the smallest, and it can be smaller than a human thumb. Where the largest, the giant Australian cuttlefish, can be over 3 feet long and weigh over 20 pounds. They are one of the smartest invertebrates on the planet and have one of the greatest brain to body size ratios out there. Unfortunately, they don't live very long lives at all, only 1 to 2 years. They mate once and then die shortly after. Sorry, cuttlefish. RIP. Cuttlefish live in warm coastal waters across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. Surprisingly, you won't find any in North or South America. Not going to America, you can't make me, North or South. No, they have a special bone in their body called the cuttle bone, and by shifting gas and liquid inside of its tiny chambers, they can change their buoyancy to either hover, sink, or rise. However, cuttlefish have to stay above a depth of 600 feet. Otherwise, the pressure from the ocean would cause their cuttle bone to explode. You can just see a mama cuttlefish. Don't go in the deep end, you'll explode. Don't go in the deep end, Jimmy. Cuttlefish have a way of hypnotizing their prey. They ripple dark bands across their skin in what's known as a passing cloud effect. This visual wave mesmerizes and distracts the prey until the cuttlefish can strike. Beyond their 8 regular arms, cuttlefish have 2 feeding tentacles, which they keep hidden while hunting. When they are ready to strike, these tentacles shoot out in milliseconds like spring-loaded harpoons. The flamboyant cuttlefish has a cuttle bone which is too small for easy floating, so it literally walks on the sea floor using its tentacles like little legs. Alright everybody, that's it for this Facts on Cuttlefish. Comment below if there's an animal you want to see next, and I'll see you next time.